So I have this patio tabletop heater which I'm going to fix because I'm having an issue with it. The flame is very weak. It doesn't give you that intense burn to give you the proper heat. It's kind of flickering, very weak flame, so I decided to take it apart, and wasn't planning on doing a YouTube video, but I thought once I got it apart to start filming and show you guys how to fix it in case you have the same issue. So it's going to be a little bit reverse, but stick with me. It's pretty straightforward. So I have this propane patio heater which I had an issue with. Once I fire it up, there's a lot of reddish flame coming out of the burner. What I found is inside of this hole where the jet of the air, the propane is being pushed in, was blocked with cobweb and a bunch of different flakes coming off this surface. So if you look down deep in there, you'll see the orifice where the propane comes out. There was a lot of restrictions in here from cobwebs. So very easy to disassemble to this point. Clean it out, blow it out. If you have an air compressor, put it back together, and then you should have a nice even flame. I'll light it up at the end and show you guys what it looks like. So to get this burner off, there are 4 screws on the bottom that you take out. Once you take those out, this whole piece comes right off. You lift it up and you can have access to the burner. So the issue I was having with this is the flame coming out of here was very red. It wasn't giving you that hot flame. So I took out that burner on the outside, took these 3 screws off, lift that plate up, and inside of here there's a channel where the gas comes out. That was blocked with cobweb and a bunch of debris in there, so I clean all that out, put this plate back together. Now I'm going to fire it up and see how it works. So you can't really see the flame because it's burning so efficiently now, but you can see by the heat waves going around that it's burning very efficiently and a lot of heat coming out of that. Ready to put back together, much better than it was before. Now I'm going to put this burner back over the whole assembly there, and there are 4 little screws on the bottom. Put those back and we're good to go. Now that I have that on, I'm going to put this grill back on. There are 4 little locations where we snap that in. Once that's done, then I'll put the cover, which is this cover here, that goes right on the top. Set it on these 3 bolts and easy to install.